So we have to find the domain of this one. First you observe from inside to outside. Log base Ex. What is the domain? X must be greater than 0. Okay, x must be greater than 0 is the log x domain. Now we are talking about log base E mod log base E x we are talking. So what we observe, it means log mod A base Ex must be greater than 0. It must always be positive. Okay, so log mod this must always be greater than 0. Mod log base Ex must be greater than 0. When this is possible, you can take x 0 to 1 and 1 to infinity. Okay, 1 why you can't take? Because log 1 is equal to 0. So what will happen? Log base is 0 is tending to minus infinity. That's why 1 you can't take. Let us observe the graph. Then you'll get a more clarity. So this is the graph. I am zooming it out. Okay. So this point comes out to be 1. This is 1. So they have joined. Actually it won't join. It will be like this. I'll draw once again to give you more clarity of it. So it will be like this. This graph will be like this. It will cross like this and is at equal to 1. Again it will go like this. So what is this point? This is 1 by E. What is this point? This point is E. Why so? Log base E log 1 by E is nothing but log of, because modulus is given. So this becomes log E. Log E, because it is modulus. So log base E is 1, log 1 is 0. So that's why this is 1 by E. Same as E. So log base E modulus of log base E will give you log base E1, which is again 0. So it will have negative values whenever x lies between 0 to 1 by E positive values, 1 by E to 1 negative values, 1 to E again negative values will be there. I'll write clearly. So domain will be 0, 1, union 1 to infinity. Now f of x will be less than 0 whenever x lies between 1 by E to 1, open interval, union 1 to E. You will get less than equal to 0 if you put. This will be closed interval. So 1 by E to 1, union 1 to E. So f of x will be less than 0. f of x will be greater than 0, open interval 0, 1 and union f of x is greater than 0 whenever E to infinity. E to infinity. 0 to 1 it will be positive, then E to infinity it will be positive. Remaining interval it will be negative. So okay, so 0, 1 union 1, infinity is the domain. This is domain. And when f of x is less than 0, when f of x is greater than 0, we have identified. Okay, so range will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x lies between minus infinity to plus infinity is the range. So this is the domain and this is the range. What we discussed is f of x less than 0, in which case f of x greater than 0, in which case we have discussed it. So this is actually, we are talking x value only, x belongs to. This we are talking x belongs to. So x belongs to this interval, f of x less than 0. And x belongs to this interval, f of x greater than 0.